All right, good morning, algebra students. In today's video, we're just going to take a quick look at what's coming up this week. We got a lot of fun things to learn. The first thing we're going to do is review what we learned about distribution last week. So the worksheet you'll do is called Solve Equations and Simplify Expressions. And these first few questions, all you do is distribute and then solve for x. There are two problems on the worksheet where you have to just simplify, and sometimes you end up with squared terms, okay? And we'll talk about that and how to deal with those. So this is an 8-question worksheet, and that'll be Monday, today. So that's an assignment that will be given to you today, and it will be due tomorrow. On Tuesday, we're going to learn about solving proportional equations. Many of you learned how to do this already using a method that former students have told me is called the butterfly method. But once we get past problems 1 and 2, you'll notice that the type of problem, the way it looks, changes. And now you've got not just a letter, but a letter plus a number, or a letter minus a number. And so the usefulness of a technique like butterfly, it will still work technically, but we need to adapt it for these harder problems in algebra. So we'll do that. It's another quick little assignment. This one's 10 questions long, and these problems don't take that long to solve. No big deal there. That's a Tuesday assignment due Wednesday. Okay, and then we're going to learn about the quotient rule for exponents, and we'll use that quotient rule to simplify expressions. You see these problems here? They look hard, but they're not. They're really not hard. You just have to learn the quotient rule, which is right here, and we'll talk about what the quotient rule is. It's like the opposite of the product rule. Not too bad at all once you get the hang of it. This little 8-question assignment will fly by, no worries. And that will be, this assignment here will be given to you on Wednesday, and it will be due Thursday, okay? On Thursday, we are going to do one final new piece of information, and then you will review for your test, which will be next Monday, okay? So first we'll review solving proportions, and then we will solve equations that look a little bit complicated, but they're not. These are just called rational equations. And here's a fun one. I've always found these to be fun. These are like little brain teasers. You solve for a missing letter. Okay, so in this one, you're given m plus x equals p plus n, and you want to get x by itself. Over here, you've got c over a equals r plus d, and you want to get a by itself. So you just kind of play with it. There's no numbers, so there's nothing to solve for. You're just moving letters around. So again, this will be given to you on Thursday. Try to get you to finish it in class so you don't have homework going into the homecoming weekend. All right, so that is the review of the week. Hope that was helpful for y'all, and I look forward to teaching it. It'll be fun, promise.